Starting a new job can be like the first day of school. It's really exciting, but it's a little bit nerve-wracking. Now, imagine stepping into this new chapter and being greeted with not just emails and documents, but with engaging, informative onboarding videos. It sounds better, doesn't it? But if you're thinking, yeah, Bridget, that sounds great, but it also sounds like a lot of work, then you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you how to plan, record, and edit high-quality onboarding videos. And trust me, it is simpler than you might think. So let's dive in. First off, why video? Well, showing up in video form for new employees is a game changer. It gives them a real taste of your company culture. It introduces them to the team in a more personal way, and it can make them feel welcomed and valued from day one. So the first thing you have to do, plan your onboarding video. You could script everything out for a polished finish, or you could just jot down bullet points for a more casual, conversational vibe. Both approaches have their merits, but the key is to be authentic to your company's voice. But what should these videos cover? Here are 6 ideas to kickstart your planning. Number 1 is a warm welcome video from the CEO. Kick things off with a personal greeting message from the top, setting your tone for your company culture. You could also do a meet the team video with short introductions from team members, giving a face to the names that your new hires will be working with. Consider making a day in the life video. This way you can showcase what a typical day looks like in different roles within your company. It's also important to have a video on core values and company missions. So highlight what drives your company and the goals that you're all working towards. An HR essentials video is a good one to have. You could cover key policies, benefits, and other HR related information in an easy to digest format. And the last idea is a virtual office tour. In a second, I'm going to walk you through the software that you're going to use to create these videos, but I want you to keep in mind that the software has a mobile app for recording on the go. So you can use this to capture dynamic walk-around videos of your office space, making your new hires feel right at home. Keep these videos snappy to maintain engagement. Think 2 to 5 minutes each. And don't forget to sprinkle in interactive elements like quizzes or quick tasks to keep viewers engaged. Now, onto the gear. High-quality videos need high-quality sound, and the ATR 2100X mic is a budget-friendly option that plugs right into your computer. And for your camera, your smartphone is more than capable for capturing great video. Now let's walk through the perfect web-based software that will allow you to record and edit these videos all on the web, all in one place. The software is called Riverside, and the best part? Your first video will be free so you can try out the platform, see if it works for you, and then upgrade to a plan based on your needs. So, once you create an account and log in, you want to create a studio. Let's call this one Onboarding Videos. Press Create. This is where you will record all of your content, and all of your recordings will be hosted in this studio. Let's go into the studio. So this is called the lobby, and on this page you can select any equipment that you've attached to your computer. So things like your phone camera or your high-quality microphone. If you're recording with others in the studio, and I'm going to show you how to do that in just a second, then you do want to wear headphones when you record these. So you would select I am using headphones. This will help you avoid any echo in the recording. Enter the studio. Now this is the studio where you will record your content. If you want to invite anybody else to record with you, you would send them this link right here, and they can access this studio directly from their web browser or the app on their phone. When you're ready to go, you would press record. And during the recording, you can use the script feature at the bottom here, and you can put in your full script or your jot notes, whatever's going to help you stay on track throughout the recording. Nobody else will see these except for you. This is what your screen would look like if you were to have 2 people in the recording. During recording, mix things up a little bit. You can use this share function to share either your screen or even upload a high-quality presentation. Now, if you mess up a line, don't worry. Just go back to the beginning of the sentence or the paragraph and state the line again. We're going to be able to take out those mistakes in post-production. When you're finished recording, you would end the recording. And you'll see here your video is uploading to the cloud. Make sure everyone hangs out in the studio until their file is fully uploaded. But if somebody exits out too early, don't worry, you can send them to riverside.fm/upload and the recording will be uploaded from their computer. So when you press view recordings, you will have separate tracks of everybody involved in the recording. You can download these to edit on an external editing software, or you can share the link to these recordings with somebody like an editor by copying this link right here. Or you'll have the option to use the Riverside editor, which is super beginner friendly. Here's how to do it. Head up to Edit, Create New Edit. First, you want to take out any mistakes that you made throughout the video. So to do that, you would simply just highlight wherever you make a mistake in the text-based editor and press Delete on your keyboard. That part will then be taken out of the final video. You want to add your branding by using this brand button. You can upload your company logo and even a branded background to help make all of these videos look consistent. You're also able to add captions, which is going to help with accessibility and engagement. You can customize these captions to your liking and your branding. Under the Layout tab here, you can choose what you want the layout of the screen to be if you were to have more than one speaker. So whether it's a grid view or a dynamic view, and if you choose dynamic view, Riverside will use AI to switch the camera based on who is speaking. Now, if you want to add an introduction or an outro to your videos, simply click this plus button, and you can upload that video file to Riverside and then place it wherever you'd like within the timeline. When you're ready, you can export in up to 4K depending on what kind of camera you recorded with, and you can remove background noise for crystal clear audio. Soon your full video will be ready to download from that recordings page. When it comes to distribution for these videos, consider hosting them on your company's intranet or platforms like Vimeo or YouTube to create private links. This way, they're easily accessible to any new hires without overwhelming their inboxes. See? Creating onboarding videos doesn't have to be daunting. With a bit of planning and the right tools, you can make your new team members feel welcome and informed from day one. So, what's the first onboarding video you're going to create? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this guide helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up to let me know, and consider subscribing to the Riverside YouTube channel for more content creation tips. Thanks for watching this video. My name is Bridget, and here's to making every new hire's onboarding experience unforgettable.